Holy shit. This guy went down this shit right here. Fucking Nick. Crazy motherfucker. And then shoot down this. Get it.
Let's get it.
You woke up in the morning with initiative to move, so I make it harder. Don't hold back. If you think about it, so many people do. Be cool, man, look smarter. Don't hold back. And you shouldn't even care about those noses in the air and the crooked stairs. Don't hold back. Cause there's a party over here, so you might as well be here with the people kids. Don't hold back. World, don't hold back. You're holding back. The time has come to. You're holding back. The time has come to. You're holding back. The time has come to. Time has come to. Time has come. Time has come. Time has come. Time has come. Time has come to galvanize.
Hell yeah, I just got footage of Nick with the drone, took a spill with this towards the end. But overall, I think we got some good footage. Got some on the Sony as well. Look how steep this is. Insane. He's right down there.
Galvanize.